really show the beauty of it and how elegant and fancy this is. So this is something not on your face. Has a statement, has a QR code, and also has NFC chip inside with a coiled antenna that goes all the way around. When you get the card, when you scan it, it takes you to the page where you actually activate it. This is the app at TAProcard.com. You can log in. That takes you to the profile where we type in TAPro card. Finds that in literally milliseconds. You can see that. We press to Did you see how fast that was? We are ready basically to review the business. We type this in, post, this is done, of course.